Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and today I thought I would continue with one of our themes, music streaming services. We've done Spotify brownies and iHeartRadio cakeys. So today I thought we'd do something inspired by Soundcloud. Now Soundcloud is a place where you can upload audio and sounds and people can hear it. That's basically what a music streaming service is. So today we are going to be making some Soundcloud inspired cookies. They're actually going to be carrot cake cookies. And the ingredients for this recipe are 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup chopped pecans, 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 medium-sized carrots. The first thing we want to do is prepare our carrots. Now we're looking for about 2 cups of shredded carrots, so it's going to depend on the size of your carrot. So I'm just going to take our grater and grate the carrots using the smallest blade. After you've grated your carrots, now we can start to work on our cookies. I'm going to start by taking our butter and we're going to cream it until light and fluffy, about 1.5 minutes. Next we want to mix in both our granulated sugar and brown sugar. Next we want to add in our eggs one at a time, beating after each addition, and follow that with your vanilla extract. Once your wet ingredients are mixed, now I can add in our dry. We're just going to add them straight to our bowl. Add in all of your flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. The last thing we want to do is to fold in our pecans and carrots. Add them to the batter, divide the batter in half, and fold it over itself. Repeat this process until everything is completely mixed. Now these cookies are a form of drop cookie, meaning you don't really roll out the dough. It's like a chocolate chip cookie where you just kind of drop it onto the pan. So I've got a scoop over here, and I'm just going to scoop it out and place it onto a lightly greased cookie sheet. Once prepared, now I can pop these into the oven at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. Now, I don't know about you, but every cheesecake I have had has had cream cheese frosting on it, so we're going to make a very quick and simple version of that. The ingredients for this frosting are 1.5 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cream cheese, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and orange food coloring. This frosting is so basic, we're going to combine all of our cream cheese, powdered sugar, and cinnamon into a bowl and mix it up. The last step in making this frosting is we're going to dye it a bright orange. Our cookies are all out of the oven. You can see that they flattened out and kind of rounded out as well, and I've given them plenty of time to cool down. Now we can start to decorate and frost these cookies. Over here I have the frosting we just made, and I'm going to spread a thin layer over the top. Then I'm going to take some melted white chocolate and I'm going to pipe on the Soundcloud logo. And here we have them, our Soundcloud cookies that we made today. These are carrot cake cookies. We took a carrot cake and made it into a cookie using, of course, shredded carrots and some cinnamon. Made a quick, easy, homemade cream cheese frosting to go on top, and then piped on some white chocolate for the Soundcloud logo, the cloud itself. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes SoundCloud, has a song on SoundCloud, or likes carrot cake. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.